Hi. So in this question, they've asked phenotypic ratio 3 is to 1. So 3 is to 1 ratio we saw in the case of a monohybrid cross. When did we see this ratio? When a tall plant, okay, a dwarf parent, and then in the F1 generation, we observe capital T small t. That means all plants were tall, and then when these were self, then in the next generation, we obtained that there were three tall plants and there was only one dwarf plants in the F2 generation. Okay, yes, this was monohybrid cross. Now, let's have a look at the options. Now, option first says dominance. See, it can't be dominance 3s to 1s because dominance is proved right over here in the F1 generation. For dominance, we need not, study any ratio because dominant is what is seen to us. Okay, so dominance can't be your option. Segregation, okay, segregation you can see over here that in F1 all were looking tall. Okay, where did our dwarf, characteristic go? But in F2 generation we saw three were tall, but we saw that one dwarf is obtained. That means the dwarf was there somewhere and it has segregated or separated itself and it has expressed itself now, and it is expressing only in the homozygous form. Okay, it is expressing only in the homozygous form. So this looks like a right option. Looking at the third option, that is crossing over. Crossing over, yes, it's taking place even after the parents in F1, even after in the F2. But that is not proving us our ratio that is 3 to 1. See, whenever gametes will fuse, crossing over will take place. But because of that, our ratio is not coming 3 to 1. Okay, so crossing over can't be the option. Independent assortment. Independent assortment will be seen only in the case of dihybrid ratio. In the dihybrid cross, when we see, we obtain different type of gametes. So there we see that each gamete is independently assorting. Okay, so that is seen in dihybrid cross. But here we see that 3 is to 1 ratio is obtained in monohybrid cross. So this is also the wrong option. So the correct option that you have over here is your option number 2, that is segregation.